Most people avoid hard things, not because they are lazy, but because their brain is addicted to comfort. But what if you could train your brain to actually crave doing hard things? To feel excitement instead of resistance when facing challenges others run from? In the next few minutes, you will learn how to rewire your brain so that effort feels rewarding, discomfort feels meaningful, and hard work stops feeling like punishment. Your brain is designed to protect you. It wants safety, ease, and familiarity. That is why difficult tasks trigger stress, hesitation, and procrastination. Not because you are weak, but because your brain is doing exactly what it was programmed to do. But here's the truth most people never learn. Your brain is plastic. It can change. And with the right signals, you can teach it to crave effort instead of comfort. Every time you complete something difficult, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical responsible for pleasure, motivation, and desire. The mistake most people make is waiting for results to feel rewarded, but the real power comes when you reward the effort itself. When your brain starts associating challenge with reward, everything changes. You stop avoiding hard things, you start seeking them. The first step is to start small, very small. Do not aim to transform your life in one day. A 10-minute focused session, a short workout, one uncomfortable task completed with full attention. These small wins teach your brain a powerful lesson. Hard work equals progress. Progress equals reward. Next, you must acknowledge your progress. Your brain needs proof. Every completed task, no matter how small, strengthens the habit. Momentum is built through awareness. Then comes the most important shift. Reframe discomfort. Stop seeing it as a warning. Discomfort is not danger. It is growth happening in real time. When effort feels uncomfortable, it means your brain is expanding its limits. And once your mind understands this, resistance turns into curiosity. Finally, reward discomfort itself, not the outcome, not the praise, but the moment you chose effort over ease. This is how you retrain your brain. This is how hard things stop feeling heavy. And this is how discipline becomes natural. Every person you admire learned to crave the hard things others avoid. You can do the same. Start small, embrace discomfort, and watch your brain change. The hard thing you are avoiding right now is your next level.